This protein peanut butter cookie dough is the ideal low carb and high protein snack for those trying to lose weight, build muscle, or stay full throughout the day. Start with a bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. I already have half a cup of powdered peanut butter in here. Add 1/4 a cup of protein powder. I'm using vanilla whey protein powder. If you're using a vegan protein powder, you'll likely need to double the milk in the next step. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Again, if you're using a vegan protein powder, you'll likely need to double the amount of milk in this recipe. These next 2 ingredients are optional. You can add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt if you'd like, but the recipe works fine without them. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, sticky, dough-like consistency. If you're having trouble mixing, slowly add a small amount of milk and continue mixing. Repeat this process until you have a smooth, sticky, dough-like consistency. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate chips. These ones are sweetened with monk fruit here. Gently fold the chocolate chips into the dough. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap. Then let it chill in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then you're ready to enjoy your protein peanut butter cookie dough. This will last up to 5 days in the fridge in an airtight container, so you can easily double or triple the ingredient amounts in this recipe and make a large batch. The consistency is totally up to you. If you like it a bit thicker, add less milk. If you accidentally add too much milk and it becomes too runny, add more powdered peanut butter and protein powder to fix it. The best advice I can give you is to add your milk slowly and mix carefully. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.